Discover the magic behind every creation, how it's crafted.
Every Lay's chip begins its journey as a simple potato, but inside this factory, transformation happens with absolute precision. First, each potato is washed and inspected, ensuring only the best move forward. High-precision blades slice every potato into the iconic thin Lay's form. The slices are rinsed and prepared for the perfect fry, light, clean, and ready. Next, they enter the heart of the process, the hot oil, where crisp perfection is born.
Freshly fried chips travel through cooling tunnels, removing excess oil for that signature light crunch.
Inside massive tumbling barrels, every chip is seasoned evenly for full flavor in every bite.
Advanced sensors and skilled eyes ensure only perfect chips continue forward.
Finally, our chips are packed with care, sealed fresh, and made ready for the world.
From farm to flavor, this is how Lay's creates the world's most loved crunch.